Learning to read, the importance of parents and families. Reading is one of the most important skills our children will learn in school. It takes a few years and a lot of hard work, but it's worth it. And parents can help every step of the way.
I give my daughter love and encouragement, and she has good teachers, but we also practice at home. And I tell her to take her time, and everything's gonna be okay.
My son's teacher told me that some children will learn slower, and some will learn faster, but they will all learn the same skills. There is a science to learning how to read, which begins with listening and speaking, followed by a series of steps that begins with reading letters. Then words,
Bus.
then sentences,
The bus is big.
and finally paragraphs. Learning to read starts with letters. What are the letters of the alphabet and what sounds do they make?
B, B, U, S.
We can help our children learn the different sound of the alphabet starting when they're very young by talking with them, singing songs together,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
playing rhyming games, or telling bedtime stories. The more we talk with our children, the more letter sounds they'll know, and the easier it will be to learn the written alphabet.
I tell her, when you don't know a word, you have to sound it out. Some words are harder than others, and the teacher's going to help you, but you have to practice. It's not always going to be easy. You're going to make mistakes. It's okay.
We want our children to be confident readers so they can learn bigger words, especially words that don't sound like they're spelled and cannot be sounded out easily. Quite. When we see the words out on the street, I like to point out the letters and sound them out together. Once they can read words well, they must practice reading all the words in the whole sentence. At first, we all read like little robots.
Wake us up.
But over time, we learn to read naturally and with confidence.
High five! You got it!
Maybe it will be your skin, your clothes, or the curl of your hair.
Talking about curls?
When she reading a book and I tell her, say it in her own words, she adds more to it. And I gotta be like, no, that's not what the story says. Just stay focused and keep on reading what the book said.
That's called reading comprehension. And that's the whole point of reading, to understand words, sentences, and eventually paragraphs.
As my reading skills is not that great, she gets frustrated. And if she doesn't understand, we both have to take our time, sound out the words, and just relax.
That's why they say every parent is their child's first teacher. We can tell them to keep trying, help them practice what they've learned, and most importantly, build their confidence. If you have any questions or worries about your child's reading, ask for help. You can contact your child's teacher or the school's parent coordinator. Call 311 if you do not know the phone number or email. And you can ask your child's school to communicate with you in your home language. Ask the principal or parent coordinator to send you written information in your own language and to provide an interpreter for your meeting with the teacher or principal. For more information, visit schools.nyc.gov/literacy. To get school information in your home language, visit schools.nyc.gov/hello.